Welcome, today I'm editing the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where we want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with this one. Just now, to add the widget, we should hold for a while our device screen with our finger, and after that we should click here to the widgets icon. Now we can see here all the available applications, which widgets we can add. For example, the weather. The weather application has 5 widgets. The moto only 1. The maps also 5 of different tabs. The Gmail has 1 widget, 1 shortcut. For example, the Google Home has also 4, the calendar 2. And let's use, for example, the calendar widget. We can use the full month view or just the schedule. So let's use the schedule. Just to add the widget, we should hold it, and after that we can drag it to the home screen. If you want to resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move the widgets here on the screen, just hold it and drag it. Also, we can just move widgets between the screen, and we can create the new screens with the widget. You just should hold and drag it to the right side with your finger, and just you can make it on your full screen, for example, by this way. And if you want to remove the widget, you should hold it, and after that drag it here to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.